Right, gate guys that you could hear yesterday have cut these off, and we need to take this tree out, so we've ordered a digger. So we're going to get that out now, that big tree stump. There we go. Push it down. Yeah. Get to the back of it.
Yeah, be able to get to the back of it though, will you? No, maybe you will. Yeah, that don't work, does it? Just dig it up his drive here.
It's got some rotted middle of it, like, hasn't it?
Oh yeah. There we go.
Wow!
Oh no. That's a big hole.
Look at that boulder there, can you see it? Looks tiny. Get that old Josh, for a comparison. Have you got a banana? Banana.
Yes, foot.
It comes up to his knees, look. That is massive. We've chiselled, we had to chisel 2 foot off top. I think we're going to leave that in because that'll just do, that ain't going nowhere, is it? I don't know where we're going to put this. It's absolutely massive. Alright, that's out. That's we've got to dig that in concrete and line it through. We dug this out because it's having like metal gates that slide along, so it's got like some kind of beam in there to add gates. So dug this out, and then
Throwing it down into that
we've ended up with this. Look here. It's about 2 inch. It's on. I mean, it's on at all them years, like. But because we've dug it out, customers on about take it wall down to it, then we'll put a new foundation in. So we're going to do that. We'll take it down, new foundation, build that up. Still got a fair bit to do though. I'll do that. Sod in. Other side, got in. That goes down. So we've got it about 4 inch above, then it goes down about another 8. It's quite deep that side. That bit done. See where it muck is. Up wall, but you know, you're not going to take all wall down, but that'll support that where gates is going. That's the idea. Right, more walling. Right, we've got these walls up, look. We're going to have a post box, which is this, getting built in. So we want it at that high, and then it'll come up. So what I've done is I've cut a flag. We're going to bed that on, and it can sit on the flag so we can get it level. That's the idea. Well, my child's down there, just outside at the wall. Let's get it. Full of shit. Thin at front, thick at the back. About there it is. Get a full bed under it. Pull that way. It's not far out, that is it? Nearly there.
Hello.
So,
Yeah, how much overhang you got on that side there?
quite a bit.
Fucking hell. I was gonna say I got an out. Unless I got nothing.
Right, go to you a bit then.
Oh, shoving thingies.
You have to lift it.
You have to
Stand
lift
up
the
more.
fucking. Why is it steady enough? Like?
Yeah.
Yeah, is that not Come on.
Yeah. Feels about right, but I'm not for that. It won't be wonky, Tim.
Yeah, it's alright, mate.
This pillar, I've had to make wider than that pillar. That's why I was saying it looked wonky, because that's thinner. But the back of it lines through for gate. That's back of it, look. I just need to, this, can you see that? So that's it, locks, and then, yeah, like get a drop box, and then, yeah, let's clean this crap up. Letters, parcels. And then we just need to get top finished on this one here, look. And then that pillar to just to put a little bit on and that little bit on. On its stone we've got is that. This stuff is for around there, I'll show you in a bit. 130. Yeah.
Yeah?
5 mil, if that, 4 mil, that'll do that. That's it, we're pretty much done. Just scratching these off, just scratch them back and then brush it. It leaves it like this, we've just got these to clean up. That's that, look. And then that's that one. And then it goes all the way up here. We're just finishing off that post up there. You can't get in. Can't get in.
No.
You'll be fine.
What?
You'll be fine.
It ain't fine. You actually can't get in, you can't even move your thing.
Then we're going to put fencing up at some point. Yeah, quite a big wall that, look. This is the back side, so that's what gate is going, look, and then that slides across, which is going to be that high. So we'll get a picture of that. That's back. It's quite a lot of stone in this one, right? Then I don't know whether it wanted pointing to match new stuff. See, all this has been built new, look. That's that bit there. Yeah, it's going to look smart, isn't it? Let's see, post box, look. And then gates are going in here. Quite a big post box, look. And then this is the front, look. That's the post box, there's a surround going on that. And then that's the other side. So this is it, look. It comes down here. We're just getting rid of all these bricks here, look. We've got a big pile at the back of there. They're the front ones. Stone. Comes round here. Curves round. We've got a soakaway going in there. We've got to get rid of this drain here. And then we've already started this back wall here, look. And that'll be steps, and then it'll come down, down, down like that. That's just main bulk of it that we've got in, using these bricks up. Absolutely tons of these bricks. Still quite a few there. I've got a couple of blocks up there as well in case we run out of bricks. This is the design lot. I'll show you what it's going to be at the end of it. Let's have a look. So it's all going to be in porcelain. So that's the plan from the top, and there the walls going around. That's the step area, and then walls around here. So it'll look something like this, look. And it's going to be all in porcelain, and work all the way around to that side. Now I've got a few more pictures of it finished. That's walling, but instead of them brick, that's the stone, look. That there. And then there's a few steps in it, and the wall comes a little bit higher. So yeah, quite a big job really. That's that there is that unit there, so that'll have to be took off and lifted. We'll get some paving under it and put it back on. Well, I won't be putting it back on, but they will be. And then this is steps at front, look. Here. It's going to be quite nice, isn't it, when it's done? Lovely jubbly.